Meet clever Hans, a horse from early 1900s Germany who allegedly knew math. Not vibes. Math? Actual arithmetic? Ask Hans a question like, what is 2 plus 3? And he would tap his hoof 5 times. The public was impressed. Scientists were concerned. Math teachers were unemployed. But, plot twist, Hans was not doing math. Hans was reading people. The clever Hans effect describes a research error where subjects respond to unintentional cues from researchers instead of the actual task. Hans stopped tapping when humans subtly leaned forward, smiled, relaxed, or changed posture. No calculator, just vibes. This effect matters because humans are terrible at being neutral. We nod. We pause. We blink. We accidentally whisper the answer with our eyebrows. For example, teachers might unknowingly give more encouragement to students they believe are strong learners. Those students then perform better, not because they are smarter, but because they picked up on the cues. In classrooms, this shows up when a teacher calls on a student and slightly raises their eyebrows when the answer is close. Suddenly, the student gets it right. Was it knowledge or body language? Yes! The clever Hans effect also shows up in animal training. Dogs that seem to understand commands are often responding to tone, posture, or facial expressions, not actual words. Your dog does not speak English. It speaks human mood. In psychology experiments, researchers can influence outcomes just by knowing the hypothesis. Participants unconsciously adjust their behavior to match what they think the researcher wants. That is why double-blind studies exist. Nobody knows the answer. Nobody leaks the vibes. Fun fact! The psychologist Oscar Funkst figured out Hans could not answer correctly when the questioner did not know the answer either. When the humans were clueless, Hans was suddenly very bad at math. The clever Hans effect reminds us that behavior is shaped by interaction, expectations, and subtle social signals. Data does not exist in a vacuum. People perform for audiences even when the audience thinks it is invisible. So when someone seems brilliant or impressive, always ask, are they solving the problem or reading the room? Like, subscribe, and join Legacy Lab for concepts that make you smarter without the boring part.